Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha, and in this video we are going to talk about the strategy for the next week's expiry, that is the 11th Feb expiry. And this strategy will assume a range bound view with a slight bias on the higher side because the markets are bullish. So if you check the daily chart of Nifty, you will find that Nifty is trading both above its 20-day moving average and its 50-day moving average, and also the RSI is showing some strength. So you can look at the charts and see for yourself, but we'll assume that we have a bullish view. So what you can do is you can deploy this particular strategy tomorrow. And if you find that markets are bullish tomorrow, then you can take it as a confirmation and you can do this. So let's start discussing about this particular strategy. So we are looking at the 11th Feb expiry. So let's do one thing. Let's first short two lots of 15300 call option. And then let's hedge it with 15250 one lot, and then another hedge maybe with 15500. So this is what we have on the call side. Now let's do a similar thing for the put side. So we'll sell two lots 14500 PE. We will hedge it with 14550 one lot, and we'll apply the second hedge with 14300 PE one lot. Okay, this should have been one lot. Yeah, so if you have watched my previous video on some of the advanced variants of the butterfly strategy, so this is one such strategy. You can do that. You can see that the range is again fair enough. Uh, this has a really high success rate. So to see what sort of movement does Nifty show in a week or in a month, I have uploaded the previous video exactly on that. So you can have a look at the data points yourself and then decide. One of the things that you can do is, so this assumes a completely neutral view towards the market, and most probably you will end up somewhere in the middle, having a profit of roughly 2.3k on a capital of 1 lakh rupees. So this will be around 2%, and this is relatively safe. Your loss is also capped. But one of the things that you can do in this one is that if you have a slightly bullish view, which you should have because the markets in the short term are bullish, at least when Nifty is trading above 14,500, because 14,500 is a really important support on all the three things, be it a psychological support, be it based on price action, because Nifty has taken support from there multiple times. So based on price action also, it's an important support. And on the option chain also, you can see for yourself that you will have a really high OI buildup at that particular place. So 14,500 is a really strong support. But if you want to have a slightly bullish view on this one, so what you can do is that you can use a calendar hedge for this one. So you can hedge it with the next expiry for this particular thing, and we'll end up with a payoff graph like this. Now you can see that you have a slightly neutral view. Again, the range is pretty much similar. And now the advantage of doing is this. Basically, as and when Nifty goes up, your profit will also start going up. So if at all Nifty expires at around 15,300, so you will have a max profit of around 10.5k, and your loss is also 10.7k. So it's roughly 1 is to 1 risk is to reward, with a really good probability of profit, and the range you can see for yourself. Now, as mentioned, that Nifty has a really strong support of 14,500, but it really does not mean that it will not break it. It has broken it multiple times. So this is market. You should be ready for the uh, unforeseen some circumstances. So this can really happen. So this is with respect to the current trend, which is bullish in the short term. So you can do this, or you can do the previous one. Depends on you. What sort of range do you want and what sort of view do you have? I hope you like this particular video. This was just a short strategy that I shared from my perspective, and I might actually deploy this one. So just sharing in case. And yeah, I hope you like the video and you're enjoying the content on this channel. So this was relatively a short video. Now I plan on doing these weekly strategy videos for every week. So just subscribe if you're new to this channel, just to not miss on these things. And I hope that this will help you in the long run. So that's it for this video then. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.